Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a orange eyeshadow makeup look, and yeah, so I already have my everyday foundation on and I've done my eyebrows, and yeah, so let's get to it. So I'm first going to prep my eyes with the usual product I use, the foundation. Okay, so once I've applied the foundation on my eyes, I'm going to be applying I just applied the Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder to powder and set my eyes, just as a, to suit with the eyeshadow and make it like dark and stuff. And it doesn't really matter because we're going to be cutting the crease, and yeah, so once that's done, we're going to be using a transition shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm going to be using the Salted Caramel shade just to build up the eyeshadow. And to apply that, I'm going to be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. So I'm just going to dab. A couple of times into salted caramel, tap off the excess. So I'm just going to apply it on the upper lid. Just going to apply a bit more, again tapping it in a couple of times and tapping off the excess. Again, tapping a bit more, tapping off the excess. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to use the shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette again, Semi Sweet, which is this one right here, and just define the crease a bit more, and yeah, on top of the transition shade we applied just now. And I'm going to be using the same brush, the same Zoeva Luxe Crease 228 brush, and apply Semi Sweet, tap the excess off. And I'm not going to apply it the same way I applied Salted Caramel, as I'm just going to apply it a bit lower, if you know what I mean, not too high. So yeah, just to deepen the crease. And don't worry if you get it on the lower lid, because you're going to clean that up and we're going to apply the concealer there to clean it up. Okay, once that's done, going to apply some from the Too Faced Totally Cute palette, so you guys can see. Going to apply the shade on my upper lid again, the shade Bunny Fufu, using the same brush. Again, just gonna tap in, tap off the excess, and apply it. Again, tapping in heaps and tapping off the excess. And windscreen wiper movements. Apply a bit more, tap off the excess. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to apply some from a Tony Moly palette, but anyways, I'm just going to use this bronzy shade right here, just in my crease, but deepening the eyeshadow. And we're going to use, and to do that, we're going to use the Zoeva Rose Golden 234 Luxe Smoky Shader. This one right here. And yeah, just gonna apply that. And so tap it in a couple of times, tap off the excess, apply a bit more, tap off the excess. After that, we're going to apply the Aaliyah bronzing powder in Baby Girl by MAC, also to deepen the crease. We're going to be using this Nude by Nature small blending brush to apply it. Tap off the excess. Just gonna apply a bit more. Tap off the excess. Once that's done, I'm also from the Tony Moly palette again, going to apply the brownish shade using the same Nude by Nature blending brush to again deepen the crease. Just gonna tap in, tap off the excess. Okay, once that's done, you're going to cut the crease using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC25. So it's this one right here in NC25, and I'm going to apply that with the Nude by Nature concealer brush. Just going to pump some on my hand. Just one should be enough. Just going to apply a bit and be careful. I'm just going to blend it with my finger. Once that's done, you're going to apply the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. So this one, Midnight Cowboy. And yeah, I'm just going to apply that here. Just going to apply that here just to make everything stand out. Just going to apply a bit more. Okay, so after that's done, just going to apply the final thing, which is applying from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette the shade White Chocolate. So you guys can see, after cleaning the Nude by Nature brush I use for the concealer, I'm going to apply the White Chocolate shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette on my lid, just to make it more brighter. Tapping in, tapping off the excess, and yeah, I'm just gonna apply some just to make it cleaner. Tapping off the excess, tapping in more, tapping off the excess. After that, you're just going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Stila Glamour Eyes mascara in T14A, just to make the lashes intense. Yeah, so you're going to open it, take off the excess on the top, and yeah, apply. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to contour using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. And this is in the shade Almond or GC979. So it's this one right here. And in the shade Almond, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones, around my forehead, my nose. Yeah. I'm just going to use the Zoeva rose golden buffer brush to blend that in. And you're going to blend that like upwards. And you're just going to apply around the face, so my temples, blend it to my hairline. And then I'm just going to apply my forehead. I'm just going to contour my nose. And once that's done, I'm just going to apply some Benny Tint by Benefit on my cheeks. So just going to open it as blush, stab a couple on my cheeks. And then I'm going to use the Zoeva Rose Golden Buffer Brush, the one I use for contour and everything. Just going to apply a little bit more. Blend it in. For that, you're going to apply some highlighter. So we're going to be using the Tony Moly palette I used earlier, the white shade here. And yeah, I'm going to be using the Zoeva Rose Golden 228 Luxe Crease brush. Yeah, I'm just going to apply that on top of my cheeks, so tapping in a couple of times, my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And yeah, just gonna apply a bit more, tap the excess off, tapping in again, tapping off the excess. Once that's done, you're going to apply the final step, which is lipstick. And we're going to be using the Lancome Le Absolu Rouge in the shade 07 or B2MD01. It's this one right here. And we're just going to apply it by using the top edge of the lipstick to outline the lips, and yeah. I'm just going to get a makeup wipe to wipe it. Once that's done, you're going to get the ColourPop lippy sticks in the shade Topless. That's the Matte X one. So it's this one. I'm just going to apply that in the center of my lips. So like an ombre kind of look. And yeah. So I'll just show you guys the final look at the makeup look. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos, and follow me on Instagram at thisisaLane. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye!